Hello everyone, and welcome back to X4Learning. Today, I have an important update regarding the Instapay app. Instapay has officially updated their card replacement system. This is now more easy to apply. You no longer need to visit office or need to call online for card replacement. You can now request and pay for your new card directly through the app. Let's walk through the step-by-step process. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Access the card section. Open your Instapay app and log in securely. On the main dashboard, locate and tap on the cards icon usually found at the bottom or in the side menu. 2. Select replacement. Tap on your existing card image or the Manage Card settings. Look for the option labeled Replace Card or Report Lost, Damaged. 3. Confirm delivery details. The app will display your registered mailing address. Ensure your address is current so the new card reaches you without any issues. If you need to change it, update it here. CS will call and verify later. 4. Make the payment. The card fee is Rm20. Select the Pay Now button. The fee will be automatically deducted from your available Instapay wallet balance. Note, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account before starting. 5. Security verification. To authorize the transaction, enter your app MPIN and the payment is done. 6. Confirmation. Once the payment is successful, you will see a confirmation screen with a reference number. Your new card is now being processed and will be delivered to your address within the standard working days, which is 5 to 7 days. And that's it. A simple and efficient way to stay connected with your finances. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to X4Learning for more technical updates and financial tips. Thanks for watching.